Hi, my name is Sebastian. I'm one of the founders here at Field 33. On our platform, you can host all relevant elements of your organization, including all their interrelations. We call this a digital twin of your organization. Let me show you how this works. What you see here is an organization that deals with scaled agile software development. There are definitions around lean and agile, and also a set of metrics that are defined to measure outcomes. These individual areas of knowledge are obviously interconnected, and you can zoom into these fields of knowledge to see the details and what they're made of. An agile team has a definition, a summary. There is a set of individuals that are already loaded, and it has a relation to other functions. So here we see a definition of a concept and the actual teams that are defined in this twin. You can see the relations across the fields, and you can have a look at individual relations. So you can load the neighbors of individual components. You can see the people in the team. It gets interesting when you start looking for paths. Let's start with the release train. I know there are a few that we have. And let's see what's going on with release train 1. Release train 1 seems to be working on 2 products. And this video on demand app seems interesting to me. It seems to be a product that is a B2C digital portfolio product. And I remember from last week's conversation that there is a new Demo Inc. Plus business unit that deals with this. I'm not so sure about all the details of that, but we can start loading more neighbors. So we'll find Jim here, and if I remember correct, Jim is in charge of our strategic objective, highest customer satisfaction. Other views include tables, like this portfolio view where we see products by portfolio. You can facet filter individual settings. You can also see the actual table content in a graph view. You can look up relations. In this case, we have people here. We have deployments, and we have tickets, which is an interesting one. And if we zoom in to the people, the tickets, and the deployments, this is what a deployment looks like. So direct relation to GitHub. And let's check what Alfred has been doing recently. I can actually check Alfred's connections to both tickets as well as deployments and how they relate. We can also visualize data. We can also visualize time series. So looking at data like DORA metrics, in this case for an agile team, and we'll pick team 1. There is a deployment frequency pre-selected here and a change lead time, and I can go and fetch those data from the graph and display them as a chart. Here's the deployment frequency. There is a change lead time of that team. Views can be shared, so I can save the current view, but I can also share it with a colleague, which is helpful if you want to collaborate on the evolution of your organization. Now this view is shared, and I can see who it's shared with. We've seen what digital twins look like. We've seen how they hold knowledge and data and what you can do with it. I hope you liked our video today, and looking forward to showing you some more in the next couple of videos.